Okay, we're just going to do a quick little chain adjustment on the Ducati Monster here. You can see it's rather awkward to get to do measurements, but just on the side of the swing arm here you'll see that my measurements are supposed to be 20 to 25. What I tend to use is this ruler here. I find the tightest point on the swing arm, give my chain a clean, and then while it's waiting to dry, I push up. I see my tight, I'm see at 2, come down, see the bottom edge is at 2.5. I need to get a little bit tighter, not by much, but just on the bottom edge, and I like to be smack bang in the middle of the edge. Now to do that, I need my, and I believe it is 22mm sockets, so I can take off the wheels, and a 12mm to do the adjustment. So I'm just going to bring around where that is. That's just around the back here. So first thing I do is we slack everything off. There we go. Doesn't take a moment just to slack it off. Right. And then with our 12, we pop on and we get a little bit tighter. Now I'm going to go a fraction of a turn. I like to measure it in flat sides, so if I go, this flat side right now is facing there, so if I bring this one round, so it's just on 45, and I go around and do the same to the other side to keep the alignment even. That keeps my chain alignment even, so it's always going to run straight and true. I can now do my quick measurements, and I'll leave you just where you are, just to make that easier. I'm at 2.5. And that's bang on tight. So all I need to do now is just tighten everything up. One round. There we go. And that is a chain adjustment done in seconds on the Ducati Monster 600. Very simple here. We just have the nut, the adjuster nuts to the back. And all I've got to do is lube everything up and we're good. Alright, cheers.